Okay, for those of you who aren't familiar with the Chemo roof rack systems, this came off of the roof rack that I had and I could not use on here. So what I'm going to do, I want this to be up here so you see it. It just stops. It will go in because of these plastic stoppers that are built to fit that. The Chemo roof rack system. So what you want to do is, it has two little tabs like this. Pull that back, you can see those tabs right there. And then take this one off. It's the same thing. And then take this cap off here. And now it'll slide in there real just right. And then take an Allen wrench and tighten it up on here. It's going to be pretty close. I mean, just so close, it's amazing. The main thing is you can use your old Yakima stuff on the camper. Now this will slide up in here. You have to bump it a little bit. There it goes. And then you thread it in. You may not be able to hear me well. It's because I'm a little bit hoarse, but I'll do the best I can. So slide this in. Tighten it as tight as you want, but it's not really necessary. And then you tighten that down out there. Maybe I can move just a little bit closer and not make a horrible racket. Again, I swear I got a GoPro for Christmas. I just have to learn how to use it. Alright, so now you can loosen this up. And you can slide this out. Now you'll be able to pull this all the way out. So be careful. And it kind of sucks that it's over the window. Somebody might do that and break the window. Just pull that first hole right there and stop. Okay, now you have this. So what you can do is, if you're by yourself, one night kayak, trip, whatever, take the tip of your kayak, you'll lay it up here like that, and you walk to the back of the kayak, push it forward a little bit, raise it up, and then shove it up here. Once you can get your kayak shoved up there, then you can pull this up. You can tighten that down. And then at that point, like I showed you on the previous video, you tie off your kayak at the front and the back, monkey cords up here. So this will allow you to do it one-handedly. My dilemma is I can either have it here or it's out of the way, so when I don't have my canopy up, I can pull this out and I can hang a towel on it to dry or a privacy screen or whatever. Or if I have it up here over the door, maybe hang it right in the door. But there could be some benefits to that too. You might not be as likely to break your window, so I may go back to here. We'll see. We'll see. That may be what I do, is go back to here, because if you pull it out too far, the worst thing you can do is scratch this and ding your gutter. And you break that, you got to replace the whole dang window. Okay. I appreciate y'all watching. Outside and put my kayak on it and put my wife's kayak on it. Let me turn the inside light for you real quick. See what a mess I got going on in there. Looks like it exploded, huh? All right, you guys and gals, camper enthusiasts. See y'all in the next segment. Thank you for watching.